you spill a drink, it will spread out naturally. Essentially, it's just like that. It's moving from a concentrated area to a less concentrated area. And what we're going to have a look at today is the opposite of that, when we need to move stuff from where there's not much to where there's already a high concentration of particles or molecules. Just going to have to move something on my screen because I can't get the slideshow button. There we go. So we're going to carry on with active transport. Before I start, let me double check you can hear me and I'm not talking to myself. Can you let me know if you can hear me okay? Perfect, thank you. Okay. So active transport then, it's movement of particles from an area where there are few to an area where there is already a concentrated number of particles. So it's movement of molecules or ions. I just tend to say particles, to be honest, because that covers everything. Movement of molecules or ions, you'll learn the proper definitions in them when you start chemistry. So don't worry if you're not sure what a molecule is or an ion or even an atom at the moment. You'll learn in chemistry. Active transport is the movement of these particles across the cell membrane. You can see the cell membrane on the diagram there in yellow. It's got that bilayer, that double layer, and they're moving things from a low concentration to a high concentration, to where there's not many stuff to where there's loads of stuff. So that's the way it doesn't want to go naturally. That's why we need to put energy in. So this process requires energy, usually in the form of something called ATP. And that's a chemical which gives energy in the cell. So sometimes people talk about it as the energy currency of the cell, but it's just basically a molecule that we can change slightly to release energy in our cells.